Today I'm going to give you a brief tutorial on how to fix one of these Fimco sprayers. Back here on the back, we've got one of these AKA Gold Series pumps. Well, guess what? Mine totally stopped pumping. I heard a hum and then just nothing. So what do? I get on the YouTubers and I look for videos on how to fix it. First video talks about, well, make sure this pipe is clean right here. Right, so that goes from the bottom of the sprayer through the pump, and then it's going to get out through the boom arm or through the hand sprayer. So I made sure that that knob down there was open, just like you can see it's open now. You turn it 90 degrees, it closes. That wasn't it. Second thing, check to make sure there's no blockage. There's a little wire mesh screen, no blockage. Third thing, I take this pump off, I totally take it apart, clean it, put it back together, nada. Still ain't pumping. Hear lots of humming, but ain't no pumping. That ain't fun in the 313, baby, when you hear the humming, but there ain't no pumping, if you know what I mean. So finally, what I do is I take this little jobber off right here. Let me just do it. I take this off, turn the water so it doesn't spray all over me. I take this thing off right here. There's the little mesh filter you can see right there. I hook up my garden hose right here, and I force water into the pump. Well, what happened was, the thing ain't priming. There's a primer thing on there that you can replace, but all I did was force water through this thing with my garden hose, got it to spray, and then it primed. So although my prime is busted, my pump still goes. So every time I use this, which is what, 3 or 4 times a year, I got to self-prime it. That be it from the 313, baby. Hope you like it. If you did, hit the like, and you can subscribe, because this is the 313. How to fix a Gold Series high flow that ain't got no flow, baby.